Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use multilingual surveys in Surveymonkey so you can reach a wider audience and connect with people in their own language. This feature is perfect if your respondents come from different countries and it makes your surveys more inclusive and professional. Let's get started. First, log into your Surveymonkey account. If you don't already have one, it only takes a few minutes to sign up. Once you're in, select the survey you want to make multilingual. This can be either a brand new survey or one you've already created. Now, click on the Design Survey tab. This is where you'll customize everything about your survey. In the top right corner, you'll notice a gear icon. That's your options menu. Click on it, and a panel will appear on the left side of your screen. Inside this panel, look for the language option. Here, you'll first set your default language. From the drop-down, choose the primary language your survey will use. Once that's set, you can add more languages by clicking on the plus language button. When the survey languages window opens, you'll see a drop-down list of supported languages. Browse through the list, pick the additional languages you want, and then click Add. Each language you add will be integrated into your survey so respondents can choose the one they prefer. Keep in mind that adding multiple languages is a premium feature, so if you're on a free plan, you'll need to upgrade to unlock this option. But for businesses and organizations with global audiences, it's definitely worth it. And that's it. You've now set up a multilingual survey in Surveymonkey. This not only improves accessibility, but also helps you collect richer data from a broader audience. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy step-by-step guides.